So in today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make akple. You will call it banku, but I will tell you why it is called any swallow made with corn, which is being driven with a wooden ladle called akple dachi, is called akple. We have 5 types of akple. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my space. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. First on our list is the Eworkle, which is popularly known. Yes, most of us call it Akple, Akple, just to mention a few. With that, it is made with corn flour, known in the Ewe language as Ewo. So with this, you have to prepare your porridge known as jugbo. So we use the jugbo and the Ewo for our akple, okay, which is Eworkle because it is made with Ewo. The second one on our list is Ewodeme or Amodeme. It is called Ewodeme or Amodeme because you can either add Ewo or add Amo. Amo simply means dough. In this case, the dough we are talking about is cassava dough, and just look at that, so beautiful. I have the recipe and you can check it out. The third on our list is Amokple. Amokple. The ple you've been hearing at the end is akple, but we can say amokple. When you say amokple, it sounds so beautiful. So it is made with only amo, which is corn dough and cassava dough, which I explained to you earlier that amo is known as dough. Now you know 3 types of akple, and with this akple, you can pair it with your grilled tilapia or grilled fish, and it goes very well with it. You can as well fry the fish and enjoy it with your atadi. That is agba tadi. You can enjoy it with your oilless okro, peanut butter soup or granite soup. And with the agbame tadi, you can prepare it in so many ways depending on the type of fish you use. Okay, so agba simply means asanka or ediwe. Atadi can be in a stew form or hot pepper form. Whenever I say Emma, I see some people telling me it's amo. Please, whether Emma or amo is correct. Vedome people call it Emma and the Amuno call it amo. So it is correct. Okay, so now you can as well pair it with your okra soup or your abobi tadi in a stew form. You can enjoy it with your palm nut soup or fetri toto pounded okra soup. The next akple on our list is ayikple. Ayi simply means beans. With this recipe, we prepare it with our beans, corn flour, coconut milk, just to mention a few. And it is so good, very healthy, and I can't wait to share the recipe with you. I have never prepared it before, but my husband has done that before. So one of these days when he prepares it, I'm just going to record it and bring you the video, or I will let him teach me. The last on our list is the jenkle. Jen simply means red, and this food is reddish in color. It is popularly known in the Akan community as apaprensa, but with ours, we don't prepare it with palm nut soup, but we prepare stew and then we proceed. I have the recipe on my channel. Please check it out and you will love it. I hope you've learned something today, and I just want to advise you, okay, when someone gives out information, please try your possible best not to condemn it or jump into conclusion, but let's try and research or ask questions. I love those who ask questions. And also, you should try and visit my best friend Google for the questions or ask the person than to jump into conclusion. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe or follow for more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. My name is Ejra. Bye.